In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Binance account set up and funded. Let's go! First off, go to this web address or simply click the link on the description below to get directed to the official Binance website. Once you get there, make sure the site has authentic certificate because there are a lot of sites copying and cloning Binance and other exchange platforms to get you to deposit your money and steal them. You can also bookmark the site for later use. Next, simply click the yellow register button on the upper right and start creating your account. Fill out the form with your email address and password and check the box if you're age 18 or over. Then, click Create Account. Binance will send you a verification email. If you don't see it, check your spam folder, then click Verify Email. It is strongly suggested to install Google Authenticator app on your phone and set up two-step verification on all of your crypto accounts. So if you haven't done it yet, you can find Google Authenticator app on Google Play Store or in the App Store. Then you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, otherwise known as 2FA. So simply scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app. To do this, open the app on your phone, click the plus sign on the upper right, and click Scan Barcode. Hold your phone over the QR code like you're taking a picture, and it will instantly pop into your account and set up your Binance two-factor authentication or 2FA. And for your backup key, you may want to make a copy of it because this code will be used to regain access if ever you lose your device. And after you've done that, click the button that says Next Step. And for the last step, we have to enable the Google Authentication. Paste your backup key, enter your login password, and enter your current Google Authentication code that you can get from the installed application. Then click the Enable Google Authentication button. Congratulations! Your Binance account is now set up and secured. Now, let's get it funded. First off, you have to log into your new Binance account. Click the drop-down arrow beside Wallet and click Spot Wallet that says Deposit and Withdraw. Then you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. If you want to fund your wallet with Bitcoin, scroll down and find BTC or Bitcoin and click Deposit. It will brought you in this page, but simply click or select the BTC or Bitcoin button and copy the BTC address. We shall proceed to the crypto wallet that contains our fund. In my case, it's Coinbase. Simply click the Send button and you'll be brought to a window that looks like this. Paste in the Binance receive or deposit address. Enter dollar amount or BTC amount that you want to send to Binance. Then click Continue and follow the remaining simple steps. Before long, your Bitcoin will show up in your Binance account. Congratulations! You now have your Binance account set up and funded. You'll be clicking in no time.